All right, guys, welcome to another video. We're going to be going over AMC stock and how we can profit off of some AMC options. So as we can see here, obviously AMC has been on this downtrend, a slight downtrend, sitting at a price point of around $23, $24 per share. And a lot of people think that some people think that the squeeze is over. Some thinks that it's still on the table. We do think that the squeeze is still on the table. AMC is not yet over. It is just taking a little bit of a downtrend just because of the Omicron variant, as well as a lot of other stocks that are really dropping in price. And these are going to be really good dip buying opportunities, and a lot of people are going to be able to make a lot of money in the long term. Just stay patient, and the best time to buy stocks is when stocks are getting hit really hard, such as AMC, sitting at a pretty low price point. Now, if we head over to barchart.com's highest implied volatility stocks, we can see AMC makes that list at number 5. The 145 call options for January 21, 2022. As we can see, implied volatility over 200%, meaning that a lot of people are anticipating some big movement for the stock within the next few weeks or upcoming months. So as you can see, open interest, 146,000 contracts. So that is that's a pretty high open interest in my opinion. And a lot of people think that this stock is going to make a huge move, which it very well can. So if we head over to the options chain and let's head over to the 2022 expiration date, and we'll head over to the call options, and the 145 strike calls are the most out of the money call options that you can buy. And as you can see, we need a huge price movement for you guys to make a lot of money. But the good news is these contracts are very, very cheap, $26 per call contract, and there is some really good profit potential with these call options. Now, as you can see here, implied volatility 265%, pretty high implied volatility, as well as pretty high volume and open interest. So this is basically a lottery ticket. It's going to be a really solid way to kind of gamble. This is really a gamble. If you don't want to gamble, just buy and hold shares. But if you want to take a risk and try to get some money, get rich quick, these would be some pretty solid call options. Now, of course, we don't have to wait until the January 21, 2022 expiration date. If AMC sees a pretty big price movement within the next few days, say AMC goes to $30, these contracts could very well double in price, and you can sell them for a nice profit. So of course, if AMC ends up going to like $100 per share within the next month or so, these contracts are going to absolutely explode in price. You're going to make a ton of money, and once the contracts go closer to the share price, you're really going to be seeing some 10x or even 100x returns depending on how high AMC goes. As we can see, profit potential is unlimited, so we got to keep that in mind, which is very good because if the short squeeze occurs, there is no limit to how high AMC's share price can go. So this is going to be a pretty risky options play. But it's very cheap. So if you have like a few $100 to spare, you could buy like 10 contracts for $200, and that would be a pretty nice lottery ticket, in my opinion, because there's pretty high implied volatility, indicating that some people might know some stuff that we don't, and there's a lot of open interest for these very far out of the money call options, especially with Spider-Man No Way Home coming out. We can see some really good things with people wanting to return to the theaters, giving some nice revenue to AMC theaters. So that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.